Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel TT Logic, and in this video we are going to solve a nice algebraic problem. And here we have to solve a nice problem which is square root of 8, square root of 8, square root of 8 and whole the power of 8 and is equal to what solution. Now here we solve these square root problems with the method of 1. So method 1. And now here we can be written as this square root of 8 is 2 cube and square root of this 8 is 2 cube and square root of this 8 of 2 cube and whole the power of 8. And now here it is 2 cube and square root of 2 cube and then square root of 2 cube and whole the power of this 8, and this square root is can be written as times 1 over 2. And now here we divided by 2 with 8 is 4. So here in next step is 2 cube and then square root of 2 cube and then square root of this 2 cube can be written as 2 square times 2 and whole the power of this 4. Now then 2 cube and now square root of this 2 cube and then times this 2 and square root of 2 and whole the power of 4. And then here in the next step is 2 cube and now this 2 cube and square root of this 2 cube times 2 1, so 2 2 is can be written as 2 and this 3 plus 1 is 4 and to the power of 4 and then square root of this 2 and whole the power of 2. And now here 2 cube and then square root of 2 the power of 4 and now this square root of 2 is first of this square root and now this square root of 2 and whole the power of 4. Now in the next step is 2. Now this 2 cube and then times this 2 and 2 square and then this 4 and square root of 2 and whole the power of 4. And here in the next step is this 2 and this 2 same as, so we can be written as 2 and 3 plus 2 we multiply powers is 5 and then this 4 and square root of this 2 and whole the power of this 4. So here this to the power of 5 and whole the power of 4 and then times 4 and then square root of 2 and whole the power of 4. So here this 4 cancelled out this 4 and remaining is this 2 and multiply powers. 5 multiply 4 is equal to 20 times this 2 the power of 1. And now this 2 and this 2 same as, so this 2 and multiply add powers. 20 plus 1 is 21. So here it is our finally answer, and this is method first answer. So here we can solve the method of 2. And now we can write method 2, and then square root of 8, square root of 8, square root of 8, and whole the power of 8, and is equal to what solution. So here we can separate this square root of 8 10 times, and now this 8 is this square root and this square root, so we can be written square root and now square root and now this 8, and then times this 8, it have 3 square root, so we can be write is square root and this square root and this square root is 8, and whole the power of 8. And now in the next step is this 8, and this square root value is 1 over 2, then times 8, and this square root 1 over 2 and this square root 1 over 2 is equal to 1 over 4, then times this square root 8, and this 3 square root value is 1 over 8, and whole the power of 8. And now in the next step is and now in the next step is 8, and we added them powers. So this 1 over 2 plus 1 over 4, then plus 1 over 8, and whole the power of 8. And now here this 8, and here we take LCM, and this 8, and now here we take LCM, so this 8 and 8, 4 and 2, here we take LCM is 8, and now this 2 divided by 8 and is equal to 4, and then plus this 4 divided by 8 and is equal to 2, and plus this 8 divided by 8 is equal to 1, and whole the power of 8. And now here this 8 and 4 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 7 over 8, and whole the power of 8. And now here this 8 cancelled out this 8, and remaining is 8 the power of 7. So this 8 can be written as 2 cube and whole the power of 7. So here we multiply powers, and now 2 and 7 multiply 3 is equal to 21. This is our final answer with the method of 2. Thank you so much for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.